Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my very first video on this channel, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how I do my edges. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing the wave edges, and it's like kind of like that, those kind of wave edges. And yeah, if you want to learn how to do them, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the things that you'll need when you're doing edges, or things that I use. First of all, I use the olive oil eco styling gel, and I also use this edge control, the Silk Elements edge control, and a toothbrush. Can be any type of toothbrush. I know my toothbrush is a little dirty right now, but it is what it is. Alright, so let's just get into it.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm getting the toothbrush and I'm brushing it, but I'm making sure that my finger is following right behind it so it can be shaped well. Your finger is also going to be holding down the pieces of hair. So, yeah. For this side, you're going to want to do the same exact thing as you would do on the other side, making sure you go with the toothbrush and you brush down and then use your finger as like a guiding point. So, yeah. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going over and putting edge control on my edges and changing any little things that I want to change to make it better. And the edge control is basically just securing your edges in place. And at this time, if you want to fix your edges a little bit, then you can. This would probably be the time to fix them since you're securing them with the edge control.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more of me doing edges, me doing more tutorials, then definitely subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all hopefully in my next video.